Hey guys, it's me Hannah from Hannah Hazel Vlogs, and today I'm going to be making a fluffy slime tutorial, and instead of me doing the voiceover, my dad is. And so let's get started.
So you're going to need some Elmer's glue, lotion, shaving cream, it doesn't matter what brand, an activator, food coloring, a bowl, and a spoon. There's your Elmer's glue. Pouring it in the bowl. Still pouring. And there's food color. Mixing it up. It's turning blue. Nice shade of blue. That's kind of like aqua. There's a spoon. Squirt some Barbazol in there. That's your shaving cream. Mix that up. Mix it up really good. Keep mixing. Squirt more shaving cream in there. Stir, stir, stir. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Nice shade of blue. Blue's got a little lighter at this point. There's your lotion. Squirt some lotion in there. Squirt, squirt, squirt. Squirt. Mixing it up. Mix, mix, mix. Mix, mix, mix. Here's your activator. Not sure what the activator is, but it's an activator. Now you're stirring that up. I suppose she'll say in the description what the activator is. I'm not sure what that is, but you're mixing it in right now. Mixing, mixing, and it's starting to look more like slime at this point. Oh yeah, look at poking her fingers in there. It's very slimy now. Pretty slimy. Yeah. Now we're doing a little slow-mo slimy thing. Thanks for watching.